Suppose you have a beaker and there are some volatile liquid inside it. Suppose there is one liquid only that is volatile. So there must be vapor in equilibrium with that liquid. So first question is, the pressure generated due to vapor, is that dependent on surface area? And the second question is that vapor pressure dependent on surface area? So two questions. Again, I am repeating for your better understanding. Pressure generated due to vapor, is this dependent on surface area? Second question, vapor pressure, is this dependent on surface area? In many examinations, the second one, the vapor pressure, it is dependent on surface area or not, this question has been asked so far. So let's clarify the confusion. I hope you have your answer with you. Let's match. So there is some key difference between pressure generated due to vapor and vapor pressure. If I say pressure generated due to vapor, in this statement, the vapor can exert its pressure or exert its force to any of the surface. That can be the surface of the container itself. But when I am talking about vapor pressure, that means the pressure generated due to vapor on the surface of the liquid. We know more the surface area, more vapor will generate, right? Because the rate of evaporation will be higher. So more vapor will be generated. And if the more vapor has to apply force to the more surface area, then eventually the overall pressure will be same, right? So more vapor exerting more force on more surface area. That means eventually it is getting same. Suppose you are distributing 10 chocolate to 10 children, or for example 10%. So if there are 20% and you have 20 chocolate, and eventually in previous case also and in this case also everyone is getting one chocolate. So that's why the pressure will be same, and that pressure is vapor pressure. Vapor pressure means pressure generated due to vapor on the surface of the liquid. So it is independent of surface area. Why it is independent? More the surface area, more the vapor, and more vapor means vapor is generating more force on more surface area, right? But the in general term, pressure generated due to vapor, that means it can generate force in any surface. That can be the surface of the container itself. So that is basically dependent on surface area. If surface area is less, pressure will be more, because pressure equal to force by area. It is in general term. But when we are talking about vapor pressure, that means pressure generated on the surface of the liquid. I hope you have a better clarity. Thank you.